What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are doing just a kind of a quick camping trip to the National Forest. Tonight is just going to be me and a buddy hanging out. It's supposed to get extremely nasty here in Southeast Texas for the next couple days. So tonight, normal camping trip. Then I'm gonna roll right into, I'm gonna see how the van holds up when we get below freezing. So man, I'm gonna swing in here to the Family Dollar, pick up a few supplies. All right, I always like messing with BBT, and he does the same with me, right? Today I decided to mess with him, and I bought some heart-shaped Reese's Pieces. So I'm gonna give him his when we get there. Another night, it's just a one-night trip, so I got some Pop-Tarts, a little bit of milk, and some charcoal ladder. But we getting on the road. Hopefully he was able to get there earlier than me to reserve our spot, because it's free camping. It's National Forest, but because it is free, it's first come, first serve, right? So we'll see how it goes. See y'all at camp. Beat me again. That fool right there. But we got a good spot again. All right, here we go. Let's see what his reaction is. What up, BBT?
What's up, man?
Yeah, you got the good setup, bro.
Yeah, I set it up this time, man.
Look here. I brought you a present.
Oh, man, you do love me. Appreciate it.
Yeah, heart-shaped Reese's. Ain't that exactly what you want?
Yeah. Million subscribers right there.
All right, so here's our setup for tonight. We got some visitors. Let's check it out. We got this little gas cooker, a little water. That's old Venture Tubes sleeping quarters. Here's your camp overall. There's the Amazon Beast. There be the fire pit. All right.
Don't go out, Crayon.
Sorry, Devil Dogs. We burning up your food supply. We starting a fire with it. Bada boom, bada bing. B&B or something where they got air conditioning.
Yeah.
So I'm really hoping to have Starlink by then.
Man, I'm really hoping you get the...
And we got her going now, BBT.
She's going now, man. A couple of these on
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I need to FaceTime my mom and let her know we're going to survive.
He gonna make it, Mama BBT.
MBT.
MBT.
Mama Bass Tony.
Mama Bass Tony. All right.
Definitely not as good as homemade, but it'll do the trick.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the actual dumplings.
Yeah.
The chicken is good.
It's like canned
It's
chicken.
canned chicken, right?
Yeah, it's canned
but
chicken.
the dumplings, man, dude, these actually got some really good texture to them. We had some chicken and dumplings that was good. Drinking on a little bit of honey. And enjoying this fire. We actually, if you can tell from them ashes, we might owe a couple tree planting trips or something. We're gonna sit here and just enjoy this campfire for a little bit, and I'll probably get the van ready here in a little bit. We're gonna try to call some coyotes up. If we can get them to holler back at us, we'll record it, and you might see it. I want them so bad. And you know how cool it would be if one of them actually responded?
I know.
All right.
We'll see y'all later.
Well, we getting settled in. Got the old bed did up back there. It ended up not, I don't think it's going to be cold enough to really even worry about any heat. So we're just going to get in the bed and then we'll holler at y'all in the morning. The rain started moving in about 3. It's 5 now, it's coming in good. So we'll get up here in a little bit. All right, so I've got some sort of a water leak. Mattress, pillow. We'll have to get to the bottom of that. Good morning. We're the first ones up. I don't really expect old BBT to start stirring for another 30-40 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the coffee started. I don't know what we're gonna do for breakfast stuff. I know he's got some, but I actually got some stuff to make us some breakfast bean and cheese tacos, so we may end up going that route, but we'll get the old coffee going. It's raining. It slacked off a little bit. I think it held on us just a little bit last night, and I've got a little bit of a water leak just dripping down, so I woke up, and I don't know if that'll show up or not, but right in here, so a little wet spot on my pillow where it was touching that wall, so that ain't no good. Tomorrow it's supposed to get nasty. It's about 42, 43 right now. By the end of the day, it's supposed to be down to the mid to low 30s, and then overnight I think it said we'll drop to like 22 degrees. So I'm kind of interested to get some camping in the snow footage in southeast Texas. I mean, I think that would be a trip. That may have to be from my family property or something like that. I don't know what I'll do, but I do want to see. I didn't run any heat last night. When we went to sleep, I think it was like 57, 58 degrees, and you just don't need it at that point with the sleeping bag. So get the coffee brewing, go from there. My wife actually picked these up when we stayed at an Airbnb. Latte frappe, caramel, double shot, 2 times the caffeine. Caramel macchiato froth pack. I don't know, but we got enough to flavor up a few cups of coffee, so. That's pretty good right there. Cheers and good morning. I forgot that my heater, my 12-volt AC is also a heat pump. So I'm gonna run it and test it real quick because I haven't really been able to do that. So the heat's coming on. We'll see how it goes. Let's go see what this is all about. Not so bad. Not so bad. Little Sleeping Beauty over there. There's the mud puddle I stepped in. That was fun. There's the not so well organized van. So let me close this up. All right. We didn't burn the forest down. The coffee's brewed. Halfway through that cup. Raccoons didn't get into our trash. My man's canopy's still up. All right, we dealt with the rain last night, so we're having to cheat a little bit on this morning's fire. We're not even trying to do it. We're using some lighter fluid. I've soaked that. We're going to use these paper towels to get her rolling. I was watching. Oh, I didn't even record it.
Oh no, you want to do it over?
I didn't record it, so I got to do the backup. No, we're not going to fake it. So the first one was what's faster, hot or cold. EBT wasn't quite sure, but it's pretty obvious because you can catch a cold. Okay. All right, now for the other one, because he seems to be in good spirit. All right. Why did the crow land on the telephone pole?
So you can make a call.
No, because he had to make a long distance call. And thought it was going to let up on us, but as you can probably hear from it hitting this tarp, it's starting to come back down. So although the temperature's not that bad, 40 degrees and rain kind of stinks a little bit, but we working on the fire. It's coming along. We're gonna have the breakfast talk real quick. Now it's raining on us. I know y'all can see it in the background. BBT got a nice little gear top for us. We did get that fire going just in time when we
Glad you did.
we'll pan around camp. We got breakfast tacos with egg and cheese and beans and salsa, some bacon on the side. About to rip into it. Oh man.
Good?
Yeah, that's what's up, Tony.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah. That's not bad.
No, it's good. What is this bacon seasoned with? Because it's just like pepper? Or?
Yeah, peppered. It's like black pepper.
Like, it's way better than I thought it would be, to be honest with you. I think I'll eat at least one more.
All right. I'll warm up 2 more. I probably can do 1 more too.
No, I don't want to hear it.
One day you're going to quit arguing with me, man. Gracias.
Yes, sir. I was skeptical of your turkey bacon. I got everything. Beans, eggs, salsa,
Beans, greens,
bacon.
potatoes, tomatoes,
All right.
chicken.
Round number 2. We're getting camped all picked up. We're gonna go home and make sure the house and the boss lady is prepared for this winter storm. And like I said earlier, I'm gonna try to actually camp out tonight in it, but I got some honeydews to get done first. But it was a trip. Thanks for coming along. Go check out old VentureTube. Say something, VentureTube.
Like and subscribe.
What's faster, hot or cold?
Cool.
Because you can catch a cold.